Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sweet Yourself. In this video, I am going to share you how to cut and stitch this beautiful frock for 9 to 10 year baby girl. Now without any further delay, let's get into the video. For that, I have taken a 1 meter printed cotton fabric and 1.5 meter contrast fabric. Now I'll show you how to do markings in it. Firstly, I cut out the required length for the borders. This is front portion and back portion. Now, the required length of my borders is 12.5 inch and width is 11 inch. In my measurement, shoulder is 5.5 inch. Then my neck width point is 2.5 inch. Measure your shoulder divided by 2 is the shoulder measurement. And from this point, mark half inch down and join this point with the neck width point. From here, mark 5.5 inch as armhole depth measurement. Join these 2 points. My chest measurement is 8 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. So measure your chest divided by 4 plus 2 inch for seam allowance. So how much you want, that much you can give. Extend these points. My waist measurement is 6.75 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. Similarly, your waist measurement divided by 4 plus seam allowance. Join these 2 points. Mark 1 inch above and draw a slight curve. Then draw a back armhole curve. From this point, mark half inch inwards, then draw a front armhole curve. In my measurement, front neck is 4 inch and back neck is 3 inch. Join these points. So draw a round neckline for both front and back. With this marking is complete, now I am going to cut it. Firstly, cut the back neck under the back armhole. Now separate the back portion, and for the front portion, cut the neck under the armhole. So now I have taken a back portion. From this point, mark 2.5 inch, then slit at the center. So this is how it looks. This is the back portion and the front portion. So I have cut out the required fabric for the bottom. Length of the bottom is 27 inch. So we have 3 tires. Each tire consists of 2 layers. So 27 divided by 3 gives you 9 inch. So length of each tire is 9 inch. And width of the first tire is 31 inch. Second tire is 41 inch. And third tire is 51 inch. So now I'll give a small frills for the first layer and I will adjust it according to the borders measurement and I will attach it. Similarly, for the second tire and third tire, I will attach it to the previous tire. So now, I'll show you how to stitch. Firstly, I have taken the back portion. Place this piece of fabric like this. So this is the wrong side of the fabric and I am placing the fabric at the right side. So make a stitch here. So I'm just drawing like a V shape. Make a stitch exactly like this. Now I'll trim the excess fabric. And also make small cuts. Turn this to the wrong side of the fabric. Now fold and make a stitch for all the 3 sides. Then make a top stitch. Now I'm placing the front portion on the back portion and make a stitch here. Firstly, I'm making a top stitch. Now I'm attaching the shoulders. So I finished attaching the shoulders. Now using the bias tape, I'm going to finish the neckline. So fold the bias tape exactly like this and place it at the wrong side of the fabric and make a stitch. Make a small cuts all around the neck, then turn to the right side of the fabric and make a stitch. I finished the neckline. Similarly, I'll finish the armhole. Now turn and make a stitch. Similarly, I'll finish the other side of the armhole. You can see I have finished attaching the neckline under the armholes. Now I have taken the first tire. I'll make small frills and I will adjust it according to the body's measurement and I will make a stitch. Now make a top stitch. So you can see I have finished attaching the first tire. Now similar to that I am going to finish the second tire. I'll make a small frills and adjust it according to the first tire width. Then I will attach it. I finished the second tire. Now I'll finish the third tire. Make small frills and attach here. So you can see I have finished attaching all the 3 tires for the front portion. Similarly, I have finished for the back portion. Now I'll attach both the sides, starting from the armhole till the bottom. I'll attach both the sides. I finished attaching. Now I'm folding the bottom twice and I'll make a stitch at the inner edge. I have taken a satin ribbon. I am attaching it at the bottom of the frock. Make a stitch here, then trim the excess fabric. So with this, my stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.